So over here you can see that I have a layer. Let me just go around and create a new layer right here, and let me just go around and utilize a brush right here just like this, and then just draw around. Then I'm going to go around and create another layer right here. So let me just go around, create another layer right here and draw around as well. And I'm going to go around, create another layer right here, and then I'm going to go around and draw around as well, just like this. So this is what I have. So if I were to go around onto selection tool right here and then select it right here just like this, and then if I were to go around and copy this, then what happens is that whatever layer is selected right here, if I were to go around and press Ctrl V, that particular layer is copied right here just like this. But let's say I want the layers to remain as it is. So let's just go around, delete out the layers. So let's say for example, I want all of the layers right here to remain as it is. But I want it to be copied as a merged file. In that case, you can go around onto image menu right here, just like this, not image, but under edit menu right here, and then you can go around and choose copy merged. So once you go around over here and press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste it, then what happens is that, let me just go around onto layer 4 right here, which is the layer that it pasted. You can see that this right here is a merged copy of all those 3 layers. They're not separate, but merged out. And that is how you can go around and utilize the copy merged feature inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.